Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks that I can do on this device. So starting off, we're going to begin with the ability to program the key that is on the side right here. And you can do it by going into the settings and finding the easy key right here, where you can find different or map different options to it. So double click, single click, long press. And each one of them can do different things. So you can either have some kind of shortcuts for it, like SOS for instance, camera, or you can also simply launch a application from here. So if I just select, for instance, something like files as an example, and I leave, press this, it will simply open up the files app right here. So you can map different options to it if you want to for 3 different presses. Then moving on, we're gonna go into the gestures. So on this device we have some gestures, and we can achieve that by going into the navigation bar right over here and selecting, where is it? And there we go. So you select the last option right here, use slide gestures to perform the same functions, and it substitutes the buttons that were previously here and basically shifts everything lower for the buttons. So by default we have back on the left side, then recent apps on the right, and home in the middle. So it's not necessarily as good as the other gesture options, but it still makes the display a little bit cleaner. So you go home by simply swiping up, I would assume. If I could, that would be nice. There we go, I went to recent. So it looks like you have to hold it a bit. There we go. So it takes a little bit of a getting used to it. So you can't really swipe all the way, then it recognizes it as a as just a screen swipe. So you kind of swipe a little bit, tiny bit on the screen, and hold your finger there for a bit of it, like a second or so, as you can see. Now I'm gonna revert it back for now, just because it's easier for me to navigate using the buttons when I'm in recording stuff and the device is on the stand. Then moving on, we're gonna go into the option called show password. Now it's a little bit misleading in the name, but basically what it will do once you disable it is hide the letters that are visible when you're typing in a password. So Wi-Fi is the easiest way to show you that. As you can see, there is the password field, and when I start typing you can basically see what I'm pressing. So F, U, U, D, it's basically visible there for like a second or so, and it's not secure, in my opinion at least. Now to get this changed, we're gonna go into the settings, and from settings onto the security. Security and location right here, and then you will have the option show password. Disable that, and now if we go back to the password section, you can see that there is no more any letter visible in the line. It's an immediate dot, making it, well, that much more secure. And the last option that I wanted to show is a simple screen recorder, which will allow you to record whatever you do on your screen. And you access it by going into your notification panel, and it's this toggle right here. Now unfortunately it has no settings, or well, if it does, it's very limited. It's only right here to either record sounds through microphone or not, and to record the touch inputs or not. And from there you press it to play, and it will start recording whatever you're gonna do on the device. Once you're done, you want to tap on the blue bar right here, there we go, and click on the square to stop recording. and the footage itself will be located in your photos. This is a different one. There we go, it just appeared. So this is the footage I just recorded. So not much, but still allows you to record if you need to share some kind of, I don't know, guide, for instance, with someone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.